na kagad. Shrimp.
Alright. You have to get out of the position first kung saan kayo may submission. Bago kayo don't grab the shirt, don't grab the shirt.
Nice. Yung likod, get your hooks. Hook. Yan. Kabilang pa. Kabilang pa. Pasok mo yung hooks mo. Yan. Sige, hanapin mo yung rear naked mo. Relax. Control. Over, under.
Very good. Harap lang, Marco. Sige, harap lang. JC, you have to get out there. Push, Carbo. Very good.
Nice, JC. JC tuloy yan.
Sige, kaya JC, wala yan. That's a reverse guillotine. Ginawa ni Carlos Newton.
JC, kaya mong kunin ang likod niya dyan. JC, kaya mong kunin likod niya.
Si Carlos Newton.
Hook mo. Hook. Control, yan. Yan.
Go for a better position. You have to pop your head out there, JC. Okay, good, Marco. Sige, sit up. All right. That's a full mount. Very good. JC, frame. Very good. Good defense, Marco. You have to attack, JC.
JC, high mount. Kunin mo yung high mount mo.
Very good. Ikaw ang dominante, JC. You have to
High mount. Tapos hanapan mo ng armbar. O Kimura.
Sige. Push the neck. Press mo ng forearm mo. Diba?
Nice.
Kasama yan eh.
Marco, itulak mo siya palabas.
Yeah, hip escape. Alright!
Balik. Yan. Secure.
Reset lang.
High mount ulit.
Less than 1 minute na lang, guys.
High mount. Yung full mount mo. Ibalik
You have
mo.
to press his neck with your forearm. Hindi ka pwede makipagkapitan dyan, JC.
JC, escape ka.
Umalis ka.
Tanggalin. Yan. Kunin mo yung full mount mo. Tanggalin mo yan. Alis ka sa half guard. Nice.
Para makapahinga
If you want to escape, Marco, escape ka. Alis ka dyan, Marco. Para hindi ka makuha sa submission. Very good.
Nice. High mount. Ayan. May bibigay yan.
Right. Yun.
Sige, tuloy lang.
Tuloy. Wala pa.
Sige.
Sabayan mo.
JC,
Escape.
ilagay mo yung paa dito.
Okay. Okay, that's it.